For 15 years, the National Center for Transgender Equality has helped to pass policies and change laws to benefit the nearly 2 million transgender people in the United States.
Now, if you poll the psychiatrists, they're going to tell you that transgender is a disease.
They're insisting that taxpayers fund transgender operations for people with a mental problem.
This is about social engineering that is going to be totally disruptive to our school day.
This is an issue that you and other transgender people have brought on yourselves by choosing to present yourselves as the opposite of your biological sex.
It's a new time in Washington like we've never seen. The rights of trans people are under attack, and for too long, transgender people weren't involved in policy decisions in Washington, including laws that impact us.
But that's changing. Since 2003, NCTE has been working and winning rights at the local, state, and federal levels to secure and protect our rights to healthcare, our rights in schools, and our rights to update our names and gender markers on ID documents, including adding options for non-binary people, like me.
We have fought against discriminatory laws like HB 2 in North Carolina, and we ensure that the T in LGBTQ is never silent. Through NCTE, transgender voices and the voices of our families and friends are being heard by policymakers, members of Congress, the media, and the public, and more are listening every day.
Trans people, our families and allies, must be stronger in this hostile environment, and we need more ways to fight. We hear you, and we're taking action.
At NCTE, we believe we're stronger when we work together, in our community and with other communities who are under attack. That's why we're becoming a bigger, stronger NCTE by launching a new political organization, the National Center for Transgender Equality Action Fund.
The Action Fund will be able to
endorse and help to elect transgender candidates,
mobilize trans voters and our families with new tools,
hold policymakers accountable when they attack our community to show them the price of discrimination,
fight bills at the state and federal levels that take aim at transgender people, especially those targeting children,
and elect a president who believes in fairness for everyone.
Our voices count. It's still hard for people in my community to access healthcare.
I'm protecting transgender kids.
Violence against the trans community.
Healthcare. Transgender people need to vote.
I am excited to support the NCTE Action Fund because my child deserves to be happy, affirmed, and successful in life. An NCTE Action Fund is how we're going to make that happen for all of our children.
As a veteran, I'm very grateful for the important advocacy work that NCTE Action Fund will do on behalf of transgender service members, veterans, and their families. Anyone who has volunteered to serve their country and made the sacrifices that service requires deserves to be fully included and cared for, and the Action Fund will work to make sure that happens.
Trans people, friends, families, and allies. Together, we can be a force in Washington.
Join the fight today.
Sign up,
get involved, and make your voice heard.
Get started today at ncteactionfund.org.